Hey everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English, the fun podcast where you learn real English with real conversations. If you want more easy English, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with a friend who's also learning English.
Today we're talking about something you can use every single day, the weather. Weather is a perfect topic for beginners because people talk about it all the time. So you'll get a lot of practice in real life.
We'll show you simple words and phrases to talk about weather, ask about the weather, and react to it. By the end, you'll be able to have a short conversation about the weather in English, like a pro. Okay, not like a pro, but like a cool beginner.
Let's start super simple. Imagine you meet someone. One of the easiest small talk questions in English is, "How's the weather?" or "What's the weather like?" These are great questions to start a conversation.
So the basic question is, what's the weather like? Listen to some answers. I'll say them slowly, and you can just follow in your head. For example, it's sunny. It's rainy. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's snowy. It's cold. It's hot.
You can use "it's" for the weather. It's sunny. It's cold. It's nice today. It's horrible today. It's beautiful outside. Easy, right? "It's" is your best friend.
Okay, let's do a little weather role play. I'll be in one city, and Leo will be in another city. We're on a phone call. Hey, Leo, how's the weather where you are?
Hey, Mia. It's really sunny here. The sky is blue and it's warm. I'm wearing a t-shirt. What about you? What's the weather like there?
It's rainy and cold. The sky is gray, and I'm wearing a big jacket. I'm also wearing very sad socks.
Sad socks?
Yeah, when the weather is bad, even my socks are like, nope, I don't want to be here today.
That's a very dramatic sock. But look, we already used a lot of useful words. Sunny, warm, rainy, cold, gray, t-shirt, jacket. You can mix these and describe almost any weather.
Let's go through the basic weather adjectives again, a bit more clearly. Sunny, the sun is shining. Cloudy, the sky is full of clouds. Rainy, it's raining. Snowy, it's snowing. Windy, there is a lot of wind. Foggy, there is fog. You can't see very well.
And about temperature. When it's hot, you feel warm, maybe you sweat. When it's cold, you need a coat. If it's cool, it's a little cold but comfortable. If it's warm, it's a little hot but comfortable.
Now some nice phrases. People often say, it's a beautiful day, or the weather is great today. On the other hand, if it's bad, people say, the weather is terrible, or the weather is awful today.
Also, natives ask, "How's the weather today?" But sometimes they say, "Nice day, isn't it?" That means, the weather is nice today. Do you agree? And you can answer, "Yeah, it's really nice," or "Yeah, it's beautiful."
Let's show a short conversation with these phrases. Hey Leo, nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. The sun is shining and it's not too hot.
Yeah, it's warm but not crazy hot. Perfect weather for a walk in the park.
And also perfect weather for eating ice cream.
For you, every weather is perfect weather for ice cream.
That is true. I'm very flexible when it comes to ice cream.
Let's talk about talking about temperature with numbers. In many countries, people use degrees Celsius. For example, it's 20 degrees today. That's a comfortable temperature. You can say, it's 20 degrees Celsius, or just, it's 20 degrees.
If it's very hot, you can say, "It's 35 degrees today. It's boiling." Boiling means extremely hot, like water at 100 degrees. Of course, the air is not 100 degrees. It just feels very hot.
And when it's very cold, you can say it's freezing. For example, it's -5 degrees. It's freezing outside. It doesn't mean 0 exactly. It just means very, very cold.
Let's do some examples. Mia, tell me the temperature and a phrase. I'll react.
Okay, it's 10 degrees today. It's a bit cold.
Yeah, I'd wear a jacket.
It's 30 degrees today. It's really hot.
I'd wear shorts and drink a lot of water.
It's -2 degrees today. It's freezing outside.
I'd stay at home and cry under a blanket.
That's one way to deal with the cold. Now remember some common sentences people say about the weather. It's raining. It's snowing. It's windy. It's hot today. It's cold today. It's really nice outside.
You can also talk about what you do in different weather. For example, when it's sunny, I go to the beach. When it's rainy, I stay at home and watch movies. When it's snowy, I make a snowman. When it's windy, I fly a kite.
Let's talk about seasons because each season has different weather. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In the U.S., people also say fall instead of autumn.
In spring, it's usually warm and sometimes rainy. Flowers start to grow. In summer, it's hot and sunny. In autumn or fall, it gets cooler and the leaves fall from the trees. In winter, it's cold and sometimes snowy.
Here are some example sentences. In spring, the weather is warm and rainy. In summer, it's hot and sunny. In autumn, it's cool and windy. In winter, it's cold, and it often snows.
Let's ask each other about favorite seasons.
So, Leo, what's your favorite season and why?
My favorite season is summer because I love hot weather. I like going to the beach, swimming in the sea, and wearing shorts all the time. What about you, Mia?
My favorite season is autumn because the weather is cool and comfortable. It's not too hot, not too cold. I like the colors of the leaves, and I love wearing sweaters. Sweaters are like soft hugs you can wear.
Let's give you some questions you can use to talk about seasons and weather with someone. Ask, what's your favorite season? Why? Do you like hot weather or cold weather? What do you do when it's rainy? What do you do when it's sunny?
Now, people also talk about yesterday's weather, today's weather, and tomorrow's weather. So we need past, present, and future. But don't worry, we'll keep it easy.
For the past, you can say, yesterday it was sunny or yesterday it was rainy. Last week it was very cold. Last weekend the weather was great.
For the future, you can say, tomorrow it will be sunny. Tomorrow it will be rainy. Next week it will be hot. On Saturday it will be cold. These are very useful because people love to talk about the weather forecast.
And in the present, you already know, today it's sunny. Right now it's raining. At the moment, it's very windy.
Let's do a mini dialogue with past, present, and future. How was the weather yesterday?
Yesterday, it was cloudy and a bit cold. How's the weather today?
Today it's sunny and warm. It's really nice.
Great. And what about tomorrow?
Tomorrow, it will be rainy. So today is the perfect day to go outside.
That's very clear. You can do the same with your city. Yesterday, today, tomorrow.
Now, let's look at some common small talk phrases about the weather that native speakers use a lot. For example, people say, it's a bit chilly today. Chilly means a little cold. Not super cold, but you need a jacket.
People also say, it's so hot today. It's so cold today. It's so windy today. It's kind of cloudy. Kind of means a little. It's kind of cloudy means there are some clouds, but not a lot.
Another phrase is, it looks like it's going to rain. Maybe you see dark clouds in the sky, and you think rain is coming. Or, it looks like it's going to be a nice day.
Here's a fun mini scene with some of these phrases. Hey Mia, are you going out without a jacket?
Yeah. Why?
It's a bit chilly today. I think you need a jacket.
Really? I thought it would be warm.
Look at the sky. It looks like it's going to rain too.
Okay, fine. Jacket and umbrella. Fashion is dead.
Fashion is never dead. It's just wet today.
Speaking of umbrellas, let's talk about some useful weather nouns and objects. We have umbrella, raincoat, sunglasses, boots, scarf, gloves, hat.
For example, I need an umbrella. It's raining. I wear a raincoat when it rains. I wear sunglasses when it's sunny. I wear boots when it's snowy. I wear a scarf, gloves, and a hat when it's very cold.
Let's make a what are you wearing weather conversation. Leo, what are you wearing today? How's the weather?
It's really cold, so I'm wearing a coat, a scarf, and gloves. What about you?
It's sunny and warm here, so I'm wearing a t-shirt and sunglasses.
Listen to the structure. It's cold, so I'm wearing a coat. You can use so to connect the weather and your action.
Try other examples. It's hot, so I'm drinking water. It's rainy, so I'm staying at home. It's sunny, so I'm going to the park. It's snowy, so I'm making hot chocolate.
Let's give you some weather questions and answers you can copy for your own life. Here we go.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What's the weather like in winter in your city?
In winter, it's very cold and sometimes snowy.
Do you like rainy days?
Not really. When it's rainy, I feel tired and I stay in bed.
What do you do when it's hot?
When it's hot, I drink cold water, eat ice cream, and stay in the shade.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer hot weather. I don't like wearing 10 layers of clothes.
Same. When it's very cold, I feel like a walking onion, just layer after layer after layer.
Let's also teach some quick expressions people use when the weather is extreme. For hot weather, people say, it's boiling, it's burning, it's so hot, I'm melting. Of course, you are not really melting. It's just a funny way to say you are very hot.
For cold weather, people say, it's freezing, it's icy, it's so cold, I can't feel my fingers. Again, your fingers are there, but you can't feel them.
Okay, mini scene with extreme weather. How's the weather, Mia?
It's boiling today. It's 38 degrees. I feel like a potato in an oven.
And yesterday?
Yesterday, it was freezing. Honestly, I think the weather is confused.
The weather is like, surprise! I have no rules.
Now, we're going to describe some typical weather in different places, so you can hear more phrases. In London, the weather is often cloudy and rainy. People use umbrellas a lot, and the sky is gray many days.
In a tropical country, the weather is usually hot and humid. It can be sunny and then suddenly rainy, and then sunny again, a lot of rain, but also a lot of sun.
In a desert, the weather is very hot during the day and often very cold at night. There is not much rain.
In a mountain area, the weather can change quickly. It can be sunny, then cloudy, then rainy, then sunny again in one day.
When you travel, you can ask, what's the weather like in summer in this city? Or, what's the weather like in winter here? This is very useful for planning your clothes.
Also, if you're texting or chatting online, you can write, how's the weather there? And the other person can answer, it's hot and sunny today. Or, it's raining a lot this week.
Let's give some full example answers you can use. How's the weather there?
It's pretty nice. It's sunny, but there's a cool wind, so it feels good.
How's the weather there?
It's terrible. It's raining all day, and it's really cold.
How's the weather there?
It's okay. It's cloudy, but it's not too cold.
Now let's put almost everything together in one longer conversation, with small talk, seasons, temperature, and plans. Hey Leo, how's the weather today?
It's actually really nice. It's sunny and about 22 degrees, so it's warm but not too hot. What about you? What's the weather like where you are?
It's cloudy and kind of windy. It's around 15 degrees, so it's a bit chilly. I'm wearing a light jacket.
Not bad. Do you like this kind of weather?
Yeah, I like cool weather. I don't like it when it's boiling. What about you? Do you prefer hot or cold?
I prefer hot. I love summer. In summer, the weather is usually hot and sunny here. I go to the beach a lot.
Nice. In winter, what's the weather like in your city?
In winter, it's cold and sometimes it snows. It can be -5 degrees. It's freezing. I wear a big coat, boots, a scarf, and gloves. What about winter where you live?
In winter, it's cold, but it doesn't snow much. It's often rainy and gray. Honestly, the weather is a little depressing.
So, what do you do when the weather is bad?
When it's rainy or cold, I stay at home, drink hot tea, and watch movies. I love cozy days inside. And when it's sunny, I like to go for a walk or meet friends in the park.
That's nice. So, how was the weather yesterday?
Yesterday, it was horrible. It rained all day. But tomorrow, it will be sunny, so I'm happy. What about you? How was the weather yesterday?
Yesterday it was cloudy and cool, but it didn't rain. Tomorrow it will be very hot, around 30 degrees. Perfect ice cream weather.
For you, every day is perfect ice cream weather.
True, but hot days are extra perfect.
This kind of conversation is exactly what you can have with people in real life. Simple questions, simple answers, but it makes you sound friendly and natural.
Before we finish, let's quickly review some key phrases from today.
To ask about the weather, say, "How's the weather?" or "What's the weather like?"
To answer, you can say, it's sunny, it's rainy, it's cloudy, it's windy, it's snowy, it's hot, it's cold, it's warm, it's cool.
For the past, yesterday it was sunny. Last week it was very cold.
For the future, tomorrow it will be rainy. Next week it will be hot.
To talk about seasons. In spring it's warm and rainy. In summer it's hot and sunny. In autumn it's cool and windy. In winter it's cold and snowy.
To talk about clothes and actions, it's cold, so I'm wearing a coat. It's hot, so I'm drinking water. It's rainy, so I'm staying at home.
And some extra phrases. It's a beautiful day. The weather is terrible. It's a bit chilly. It looks like it's going to rain. It's freezing. It's boiling.
You can listen to this episode again, and each time focus on different things. One time, just the weather words. Another time, the questions. Another time, the full conversations.
And tell us in the comments, what's the weather like today where you are? And do you like it or not?
We really want to see answers from different countries and cities. It's fun to see where our listeners are and what the weather is like in your world.
If this podcast helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Pop Off English, like the video, and share it with a friend who wants to talk about the weather in English.
Thanks for listening, and see you in the next episode, where we'll learn more English you can actually use in real life.
Bye, everyone, and have a beautiful day, whatever the weather is.
Bye.